Hey, my name is Vince. As you can see, we have a beautiful space here. Obviously did some research and we landed on aluminum Pergola, a Canadian company that understands our elements and what we needed. Everything works great. You know, the fact that it's aluminum, it's easy maintenance. I don't think we've done anything to it, you know, since we've had it. We do get a lot of winds coming through the buildings here. And once you put the screens down, it's amazing on how protected you are. If you ever have the screens down all the way and you lose power, having one manually helps with escaping and not having to sleep in your pergola all night. We thoroughly are enjoying our space now, where it was a lot more difficult to do that without the pergola for sure. We really lucked out with dealing with aluminum pergola. They rented a crane. They moved everything to the 5th floor. They were very clean. It was amazing to see the structure go up from morning till night. And by 6 o'clock, we could literally have drinks under our new pergola. So definitely happy about the product. Actually, since the project has been up, a few people have been asking, even in the building, about you know, how we're enjoying the space and the fact that it's protecting us from the elements. Definitely would recommend Ross and his team, and definitely aluminum pergola. Such a great product. We've been thoroughly satisfied so far, and hope to enjoy this for a long time to come for sure.